What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the disabled Google account. So first you need to head over to the browser search bar and then you need to type in for support.google.com, and after that you just simply need to hit enter. So this will open the Google support page. From here you need to select the Google account, and after selecting the Google account, scroll a bit till the end, and then here click on post to help the community. After that, when you click on this, here you need to click on post a question, and then you just need to enter all the details of your problem, like how and why should your disabled account should be enabled again. So just be specific, and then an Amazon expert or the Amazon's help articles will be available to you as soon as possible, and that will solve the issue. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.